Hi, everybody. Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. This is where it all started for SHIB in terms of the Robinhood rumors that are continuing to swirl. It's right here. This particular request of Robinhood to list Shiba Inu is now currently at 193,000 people who signed this thing. That's a lot of signatures in a pretty short amount of time. So this petition put out by Tristan Luke several months ago, probably about 3 months ago now, it's gaining new signatures each and every day, really each and every minute. As you can see here, I just signed it again, used a different email and signed in. So that's another a way that you can contribute. If you've got multiple emails, you could sign it multiple times. But it says here, Shiba has been listed on Binance and its momentum grows by the hour. This is way back into May, of course. Half the questions when we log into trading forums ask, how can I buy Shiba? Let's encourage Robinhood to be the first traditional brokerage to get on this train. So as you can see, they made this well before it got listed on things like Voyager, eToro, Coinbase, right? Some of the other mainstream, exchanges where SHIB is listed. However, getting on Robinhood is different, right? We had talked about that. So I did mention something yesterday, and people were a little bit worried about it, that app downloads were down 78%. So I read the comments. I see what you're saying. And you said, well, why is that? Zach, you need to dig into that, do some more research behind that. Why is that the case? And, from what I can tell, app downloads are just down in general across the crypto market because they had to come down after how crazy high the numbers were before. Hold on one second. Let me take a sip. Okay, right. So just natural, right, that it would come down. However, I do think some people moved away from Robinhood. They opened up different platforms. I still think there are a lot of people who have the app on their phone though, right? So it wasn't that people are deleting the app and not using it. It's just new app downloads that were down, right? So I think SHIB would help spark a new group of individuals who would download the app, right? Who would maybe be on the fence and they say, okay, well now I could purchase this really, really cheap asset, get a lot of it right there on Robinhood. You could say this about Robinhood. It's sometimes frustrating in terms of owning your crypto there because you don't really quote unquote own it, right? But they make it super easy, usually the cheapest prices. And for what it is, once the wallet does come out, I think it's going to be a really good platform. I really do. I mean, they've gamified the platform. It's really fun to use. They make it simple. But I want to jump into this Robinhood rumor because rumors are still swirling. Now, who remembers this tweet way back in September? Dell Crypto put out this tweet saying 911 insider info at Robinhood app. I've been told that SHIB is loaded and ready for release on the Robinhood app system. It has begun for some time. It has been for some time, rather. They're simply waiting on timing. An inner office debate has begun regarding Coinbase Pro forcing their hand. Of course, Coinbase Pro came out and listed SHIB. It got to Coinbase pretty recently, right? And now people are saying, well, Robinhood has to jump in and they don't want to be left behind. And I think there's some truth to that. I mean, they're going to leave a lot of money on the table if they don't come in here and list some of the top assets like SHIB. So here's what he said again, kind of following up from that previous tweet. I'm hearing rumors that Robinhood app feels pressured by Coinbase Pro announcing SHIB trading. Many of us original crypto analysts feel Robinhood app announcement is coming. Okay, so that was a little bit less than a month ago, and the rumors are still swirling, still surfacing. And this was Coinbase Pro letting everybody know that SHIB is now available, and it came to Coinbase. And it'll be interesting to kind of watch this transpire, right? But this was the article, Shiba Inu loaded on the Robinhood app, announcement to be made soon about the listing. Then what happened was Shytoshi retweeted a tweet that had that title in the actual tweet. So we're looking at SHIB right now. It's up 8.80% right now, rank number 45, actually storming ahead as we speak here. Look at this. A lot of volume coming in here. This is great to see. We're at the 8.6 level. Let's take a look at some of the technicals here. And go full screen with that real quick. There we go. Some of the technicals, we're in the buy period right now in the 1 day. Let's take a look at the 4-hour period here. Okay, that's still ranked a buy. 2 hours, yep, still a buy. 1 hour buy. 30 minutes, yep. 15, strong buy. Now we're getting into a strong buy here, last 15. 5 minutes back to a buy, 1 minute strong buy. So we are looking very, very good on all the technicals. The MACD levels are looking good. Here's what you see when you zoom out. That is a good looking chart pattern, looking like, a nice little breakout here. We are all the way up to the 0866 level. This was the line that I wanted to get to last weekend. We just couldn't cross it. And then this weekend we did. Okay, now the next level, can we get past this 09 level and really break through it? So we did previously, just briefly, right, on the big pop on the news, but then we came right back down. If we could get back up and, knock out a zero and stay up there and create some, consolidation in the 11s and the 12s, I think that would be huge for SHIB as it's setting up for a really big final quarter. So this is getting super exciting for Shiba Inu, I think. I mean, this is a really good time to be in it because a lot of the rumors are swirling. The market's coming back. So if you went back in time and you bought those dips at the 05 level, the 06 level, right, now is the time you're reaping those benefits. So let me know your thoughts, bearish or bullish, and other thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for stopping by. And before I let you get out of here, we do have the Patreon link. This is down in the description. 2 different levels. We got the supporter and insider package. If you want the insider package, I help you directly. You can cancel at any time, but you have access to me all the time, buy and sell trade alerts, weekly crypto alerts, and portfolio guidance, meaning you can send screenshots of your portfolio, and I'll take a look at them for you. Don't forget about our giveaway, too. Check out the pinned tweet on my Twitter. Here it is right here, $300 giveaway here in the month of October. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. Shiba Inu holders, we are looking very, very strong here today and heading into this week. I'm really excited about what the potential holds here this week and beyond here in quarter number 4. All right, see you soon.